Yeah. So basically we have like TechX or Radius. There is a two type of servers are there, guys. So most of the people what they are going to do, they are going to configure one of this. Yeah, basically the purpose of this one is that try to understand the logic, guys. It's very simple. For example, I have a multiple device in my network. So usually to access those devices, what we are going to do, guys, either you need to remember the IP address of those devices, right? Otherwise what we are going to do, we are going to give the username and password for each and every user. Let's say I have a 50 devices in my network. So to go and configure the usernames and passwords in 50 devices, it's not possible, right, guys? For example, I want to create 10 usernames. Try to understand the issue, guys, first of all. Yeah, 10 usernames and 10 passwords. So that time what we are going to do, we are going to each and every device and we are going to configure these 10 usernames and passwords, right? If it is 2-3 devices, it's fine, but if you want to configure into 50 devices, you cannot able to do that. Why? It's very headache. If you want to do any changes, again you need to go each and every device, you need to do the changes, right or wrong? Are you understand, guys, the issue? First of all, the problem, are you clear, everyone? Usually what we are going to do in the organizations like enterprise level, people, they are going to all the administrators, every admin, they have their own username and password to log into the device. For example, if you don't have a TechAx or Radius server, what people are going to do, manually you need to take these 10 usernames and passwords, you need to create in each and every device. Yeah, in case if anybody new come, then after that what you have to do, you need to create again new username and password in each and every device. So this is not a right way to do it. So that's why most of the people what they are going to do, they are going with either TechAx or they are going with the Radius. These are the two servers they are going to do it, guys. Yeah, either you can go with the TechAx or you can go with the Radius. I'll show it to you later, guys, this one. Definitely I'm going to show you this lab, because in packet tracer also we can do this, but I'll show you the real devices so that you will able to understand. But nowadays Cisco, they have a ICE, very nice one, man, this ICE. Do you know what is ICE, guys? Anybody know about ICE, Cisco ICE? Anyone? Anyone know about Cisco ICE, guys? ICE is nothing but Identity Service Engine. So the people what they are going to do, the ICE, whatever the usernames and passwords you are going to create inside the ICE, the ICE is going to integrate with your network devices. Are you clear, guys? Either TechAccess Radius, they are going to integrate with network device, which means whenever somebody trying to ask, enter the username and password, then what it will do, the device is going to send that information to ICE. Then ICE, what it will do, it will check inside the database whether it's correct or not. Then once it's correct, it will send, okay, go ahead. Then after that, you can able to log into the device. Are you understand this one, guys, everybody? Yeah, this is the ICE, but not only this, there is different purposes are there for ICE. It's a huge topic, guys. Most of the places they are going to use the ICE. ICE, especially in the CCA security, or if you go with the CCNP security, the ICE is very important topic. Nowadays, most of the people they are going to use the ICE because it's a user-based identity. Instead of the IP address and all, it's very difficult to manage with the IP addresses and all. That's why we are going to identify the user, their activities through their username and password. Yeah, it's similar to ACS, but it's as advanced. You understand, Jivan? It's very advanced. Nowadays, there is no ACS. Everything is ICE, Identity Service Engine. If you guys get a chance, there is a lot of materials are available. You try to learn this. You have a very bright future, guys. ICE is one of the very important thing. Yeah, hope you guys are clear. Understand, guys? Because whatever usernames and passwords what you are going to do, you will create inside the ICE database. It's ICE is a centralized database, right, guys? Otherwise, some people what they do, they are going to integrate ICE with their local directory, Active Directory, because usually inside the Active Directory you are going to create the usernames and passwords. So your ICE is going to integrate with your Active Directory, right? Again, your devices you are going to mention whenever somebody trying to enter the username and password, we will tell them just go and check with eyes whether it's correct or not. Are you clear, guys? So the moment when the users, when the admins, when they type their username and password, the request will go to the ICE for verification. Then ICE, what it will do, it will check with his database whether this username and password is correct or wrong. Once it's correct, then it will send it back. Okay, go ahead, it's correct. Is it clear? So here what you are going to do, you no need to configure the usernames and passwords inside your router local database. This is called local database, guys. Keep remember. Whenever you are going to configure the usernames and password inside your router or switch, we can call it as a local database. So all your usernames and passwords are going to store it in the local database. Are you clear, guys? But people, what they are going to do in the biggest environments and all, they don't do like this. They are going to integrate with some ACS server. Yeah. So this is called ICE. Is it clear, guys? Everybody is okay with that? Say yes or no. So today what we are going to do, anyway I don't have ICE here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to configure the usernames and passwords inside my local database. Can we see that? Are you ready, guys? Can we go and have a look? Yeah, let's go and have a look now. So first of all, what you are going to do, open your Cisco packet tracer. ICE is similar to ACS, or what is the main advantage of ICE? Man, actually ACS has some limitations. So in the ICE, what you can do the device-based authentication, user-based authentication, and also if you want to generate like a guest management, when the guest is going to come, you can able to generate the portal and all. There is a lot of stuff is there in the ICE. Understand, Mahesh? Because not only for one specific purpose, you can able to do the multiple things through ICE. Because nowadays people, they are not depending on the IP addresses and all, because it's all about user activities. Based on the username and password, I can apply the policies. For example, I am going to create one group called managers. Then I will join all my managers into that group. Whenever they are trying to access the internet, I am going to allow most of the websites, right? I don't want to put any bandwidth restrictions, and I don't want to do anything for them. But whenever my employees, they are trying to log in with their username and password, then definitely I'm going to apply some bandwidth restrictions and all. So I'm going to put some, like, which websites they need to access, which websites they need to deny and all. I'm going to apply on that. It's completely like a user based. Even when some people, they are trying to click any link or anything, then I can able to understand who did that and which system has infected, everything you can able to understand it. Hope, Mahesh, you are clear with this. Yeah. Otherwise, I'll do one thing, guys. There is one ICE expert is there. I know him. One day, maybe I will arrange a session with you. Not the like he's going to show it to you, the lab to you, because I'll speak to him. If he's available, definitely I will ask him to show you how ICE is going to look, and he will show it to you how he's going to integrate with your Active Directory and all. Okay, guys. After that, he will integrate with your firewall, and he will show it to you how to write the policies and all. Okay, guys. But if you want, I'll show it to you in the Fortinet, because usually in the Fortinet we used to do it FSS for Fortinet single sign-on and all. Yeah, because based on the users, I'm going to apply the policies and all. Yeah, I didn't work on the ICE. I know that ICE is very, very important. Long back, I tried to learn that, but I don't get time for that. That's why I didn't go through it. But I know how ICE is going to work. Yeah, let's go and do this, guys. Hope, Mahesh, you are clear, right? Yeah, Mahesh, you are okay? Good. Very easy, man. All the things are very easy. Only the thing is that you need to focus. Yeah, this is one more very important point, Jivan. That's correct. Generally, for redundancy, most local username and password used along with the tech access. Yeah, because in that is called in case this is the question you didn't ask me. No one. Actually, Jivan, it's good point, man. Thank you. For example, did you understand, guys, what Jivan is trying to say? In case if you are not able to reach your tech access, I mean your ICE or anything, right? For example, this is my router. For username and passwords, what we did, we are integrated with your ICE. Unfortunately, I don't have a reachability with my ICE. That time, can you able to log in, guys? Can you able to log into your device? Try to understand this one. Guys, try to understand this one. Yeah? If you see here, my router or switch, I have integrated with ICE. Unfortunately, the device is went down. We do not know what's the reason, right? So whenever you are going to type the username and password to log into device, then the request has to send it to ICE, and it has to confirm by ICE, and it has to reply back. But unfortunately, the ICE is down. That's why what people are going to do, they are going to create the local username and password. Like 1 or 2 users, they are going to keep it ready. That's why they are going to say, whenever they are going to configure the TechAx server, the first priority go to TechAx, and second priority they are going to say local. Is it clear, everybody? So whenever it's going for authentication, the first priority go for TechAx. In case if TechAx is not reachable, and check with the local database. The local database means inside your router you are going to configure the usernames and passwords. Is it clear, guys? Just you are going to create like admin and some password like Cisco. So that in case the TechAx is not going to reach, immediately the request will go to the local database of your router. Just you will configure one username and password. But most of the time, whenever the TechAx is down, they are going to see the alerts. You understand, guys? The admins who is managing the network, whenever it's down, immediately they are going to take the action. Why it's down? Why it's not able to reachable? Are you understand? Otherwise, they are going to make a redundancy. ICE 1 and ICE 2. Hope everybody is okay or not. Say yes or no, guys. Is it clear? Yep. Right. Now what we are going to do now, I just show it to you that one, guys, so that you will be able to understand it. Let's go and take your switch and configure something there. Yeah. I'm going to show it to you. Let's go here. Guys, actually we didn't start our routing also, man. I need to start, and I need to show you today how the MAC address table is going to build and all. Okay. Today we will spend a little bit more time, guys. We will try to understand few things. Okay. Is it clear for you, everybody? Yeah. Yeah, ARP also, man. We need to see to those kind of stuff. Yeah, because I don't know why we are not going to the next level. We are always, well, anyway, basics are very, very important, guys. Yeah, once the basic part is clear, then you can go with the next level. It's very easy to understand. Anyway, I'm sorry for that, guys, because I didn't take the last week 2-3 classes also. So now we will try to cover most of the topics. Okay, right now, go now. Let's go here. So I'm going to take a switch and I'm going to take a router as well. Okay, guys, so that both I'm going to show it to you. So which router we are going to take it, guys? Help me out. Which router we are going to take? Help me out, guys. Which router we'll take? 2911? Go ahead. Yeah, we are going to take the 2911, and this router we are going to make it as a gateway. Yeah, so I'm going to configure some VLANs here, and I'm going to configure it as a gateway here. Are you ready, guys? So I want to configure 2 VLANs. Guys, have you done the inter-VLAN routing? Just confusing, man. Have you done the inter-VLAN routing, guys? Help me out, everybody. Have you done the inter-VLAN routing? Did you remember that? In case if you are going to take a layer 2 switch, what are the things you are going to consider? Okay, I just want to configure 2 VLANs. Help me out. So, help me out. How to do it, guys? Quickly. What are the things we need to do it? So, this is my lab topology. Okay, I just want to connect it now and give me the steps. What are the things you are going to do? Let's say PC1 is connected to port 1 and PC2 connected to port 2, and this is connected here. Yeah. Now, what are the things you are going to do here? No, first, from where you are going to start? What are the steps you are going to do, guys? Help me out. Directly you can configure. Can you please type it in your notepad and paste it there in one shot? The step by step, so that I'll do it. Everyone guys, open your notepad and type it there. What are the steps you are going to do? What are the steps you are going to do? Just type it for me there, all the steps. Okay, first of all, what we are going to do? We are going to configure the VLANs, right guys? First of all, what we are going to do, we need to configure the VLANs. Then after that, we are going to shift the ports, right guys? Everyone man, help me out. First of all, what I'm going to do, I will ask you a couple of questions today guys. Actually, we have given some tasks to Suvesh. Suvesh is not responding. See, Suvesh is there in our group. He is not responding. He didn't do the task for us guys. Nobody is reminding him also. Yeah? Just kidding, man. No problem. Maybe he might be busy. Sir, I'm working on it. Who is this? Arati. Assign ports to the VLAN. Ah, okay. No problem. We'll wait, guys. Arati is working now. Just see what are the steps we are going to do, guys. Suvesh, are you there? How many people are there today? 18 people. Oh, okay. Ah, Suvesh. Okay, okay, man. Yeah. Do it, man. Do it. Yeah. Because it will be helpful for everyone. Okay, guys. Let's go and have a look this. So first of all, go to the switch. Don't waste the time, guys. Yeah. We will do this. Don't you think in hurry, guys? Because it's very important. The basics are very, very important. If you are not clear the basics, yeah. Thank you, Bhupesh. Configure L3 VLANs on router. Means not L3 VLAN. What is this? What is this? Configure subinterfaces, config.1. Okay. So what I'm trying to do, guys, I'm going from my switch layer to switch. So first of all, what I'm trying to do, I'm going to configure some VLANs. Yeah. As per my topology, I'm going to configure two VLANs. Okay, guys. So host name, I'm going to say layer 2 switch. Then after that, I'm going to configure two VLANs. So to verify, okay, guys, I think you are not practicing, and make sure that you need to send it to me the screenshots. I want to see it, guys, everybody. Yeah. Do show VLAN brief. Say yes or no, guys. Everybody, can you able to send the screenshots? Yeah, everyone, guys. Yeah, please send it to me, all the screenshots to me. Whatever labs you are doing, I want to see it from day one. From day one, whatever labs are there, you need to practice it, because tomorrow, I think tomorrow is the weekend for you, most of the people. Sunday, you spend your time in case if you are okay. Otherwise, Saturday night, you try to do it most of the labs, guys, and send it to me, all the screenshots. Yeah, please, everybody has to understand, guys. Yeah. Right, let's go and do this. See, right now, when I type do show VLAN brief, so far there is no VLANs. Create the VLAN number 10 and VLAN number 20. Then after that, I'm going to shift the port number 1 into VLAN number 10. Port number 2, oh sorry, VLAN number, what is port number 2, right? Interface fasten 0 by 2, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN number 20. Right, guys? Do show VLAN brief. There you go. Did you notice this one? I have configured the two VLANs. Then after that, I have shifted the ports. Right, guys? Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make it this port as a trunk. Let's go and do that. Interface fastener 0/3. Then after that, I'm going to say switch port mode trunk. That's it. Do we require to do any other stuff, guys, here? Help me out. Do I require to do any other stuff here? Everyone. Any other thing? What we did so far? We configured two VLANs, then after that we shifted the ports and we configured a trunk. Do we need to do any other stuff here? Other than this? No. Actually, Jeevan, I will put you in some other confused now. Let me finish the router and I will ask you the question. Are you ready, Jeevan? Because why I am saying to you like that, in case, if you want to connect your switch through your telnet or your SSH, can we able to access the switch? Try to understand this one, everybody, guys. This is the question I'm trying to ask so many days, but I forgot it. Yeah. So for what you did here, you configured the VLANs, right? That is the first step you did it. Jivan, just trying to think. Huh? Then after that, you shift the ports. Then third, what you did, you made it as a trunk. What you did here, usually you are going to take the console cable and you connect it to the switch and you did all these activities. But every time you cannot go to the server room to do it. Right or wrong, Jivan? Only Jivan can answer this, yeah? Tell me, Jivan. Yeah, so what we are going to do, we are going to enable the telnet or SSH in this switch so that you can sit anywhere in the network. You just do the telnet to your switch. Then after that, whatever changes you want to do, you can do it. This is what every time you are going to do. But unfortunately, we didn't configure any IP address here. Guys, everybody understand what I am trying to say? The logic is clear to you or not? Yeah, because every time I'm not going to take the console cable to my server room, right? Maybe it's very cold. Sometimes you will maintain 16 degrees there. So it's very difficult for us to go inside my server room. So most of the time what I'm going to do, I can sit somewhere in my network. I just do the telnet or SSH. Right, guys? So for that, first of all, to enable the telnet or SSH, it's required a IP address. Did we configure IP address here? Did we configure IP address here? Say yes or no. We didn't configure, right? We didn't configure the IP address. So now what we need to do, we need to configure the IP address. So how we need to configure the IP address? For which VLAN we are going to configure? What do you think, guys? Can you help me out? How you are going to configure the IP address? Actually, Vaibhav saying that configure the IP address on VLAN number 1. Is it correct, guys? Is it correct? Because VLAN number 1 at the moment I am not using. Vaibhav, think in this way. Right now I am not using VLAN number 1, right? That's why I configured VLAN number 10 and 20. Yeah, VLAN 1 I am not using. Again, I need to keep dedicatedly one computer into VLAN number 10 or VLAN number 1, right? Bhupesh is saying, man, stop talking all this, just configure the... Okay, but my question is that, Bhupesh, yeah? No, just kidding. No. Try to understand this. Bhupesh, let people can understand this. I know that it's very easy on the top layer what they can do, everybody can do that. But here, what is your answer? That's what. You explain to me then what we are going to do. Where we are going to get the IP address. Help me out, guys. So assign IP VLAN 10 and we can take telnet access by using VLAN num 10. See, this is what the conclude. Either you can able to configure SVI, right, guys? Layer 3 interface, logical interface for VLAN number 10 or VLAN number 20, right, Vaibhav? You can configure either VLAN number 10 or 20, right or wrong? Then after that, assign the IP address. This is what everybody has to understand, guys. This is what everybody has to understand. That's why what we are going to do, whenever we are going to deploy any design, we are going to write the IP addresses for which VLAN, which is the gateway, and which is the IP address for the switch. Everything we are going to write. Are you understand, everybody? Understand, guys? Some people, what they do, they just open the Excel sheet and they will write what are the devices, what are the VLANs they are going to configure. Then after that, what is the IP address? What is the IP address is going to act as a gateway. So this is very important for everybody. So in this case, what I am trying to do, I am planning to configure gateway for VLAN number 10 as 192.168.10.1. For VLAN number 20, I am going to configure it as 192.168.20.1. So let's say in my switch, in my layer 2 switch, I have a layer 2 switch in my network. I am going to configure VLAN number 10 interface as 192.168. Let's say 10.5. Is it clear, guys? Everybody understand this? But here there is one more problem is there. Do you know what is the problem? The people who is sitting in VLAN number 10, only those people only they can able to access this switch. The people who is in VLAN number 20, they cannot able to access this switch. Right or wrong? Say yes or no, everybody. Can we see that? I think most of the people, they are not able to aware of this kind of stuff. Can we see that? Yeah, Vaibhav, we'll go and see that. What do you think? Yeah, let's go and have a look. That's better. Instead of talking all these things, let's go and do that. Yeah. So first of all, as per Bhupesh said that, let's do the configuration and finish it out. Go to the router. Then after that, go to the CLI. Then after that, say no. Then enable. Oh, the problem is I type wrong, man. If I type control, in case if you type wrong, whenever you get this, which is the command we need to type, guys, there is some keys we need to press to stop this. What is that? Whenever you are trying to type something, yeah, because your domain lookup command is enabled, not control C, man. Control C doesn't work here. Not control Z. Control Z also it doesn't work. Write it, everybody. Control Shift 6. That's good. Control Shift 6. You need to press this command. Control Shift 6. And make sure that sometimes you need to press Control Shift 6 plus X. In CCNA lab, especially if you are doing the voice and all, whenever you are trying to log in with your CUM module, yeah, it's like a voice module is there for voicemail. If you want to come out from that module, you need to press Control Shift 6 X. One guy, he was failed his CCNA because he doesn't know this. Because he entered there to configure the voicemail, he successfully configured, but unfortunately he doesn't know how to come back. He need to press this key, that's it. Then he will be passed, but he didn't come. Hope you guys are clear. Yeah. So make sure that you need to press Control Shift 6. Type enable. Right now, if you want to disable the domain lookup, what is the command we need to type, guys? Now, if I type some mistakes here, did you see here? It's trying to translating, right? It's trying to check with your DNS. So I don't want to do that. Which command we are going to type? How you are going to disable? Good. No IP domain lookup. That's perfect, man. There you go. Now again do the same mistake here. Nothing will happen. Is it clear, guys? No IP domain lookup. Now what I'm going to do, conft host name. So I'm going to say gateway. Now let's see here. So first of all, which interface we connected? Gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. So interface gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. Then what is the commands you need to type, guys? No shutdown. That's the first thing you need to type. Then after that, you need to create the two sub interfaces, right? For this physical interface, you are going to configure two sub interfaces. One for 10, one for 20. And for 10, I am going to give you 10.1. For 20, I am going to give you 20.1. Why? Because these two are for belongs to VLAN number 10 and 20. Is it clear, guys? Everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Yeah? Let's go and do it. Then now what you are going to do, interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0.10 encapsulation. Oh, I forgot. Which command we need to type, guys? Now I configured subinterface for VLAN number 10. Now which command you need to type? Encapsulation.1q. Then you need to give the VLAN ID. Encapsulation.1q space VLAN ID. Right? So my question is that here I created 10. Is it mandatory to match with VLAN ID? Like my VLAN ID is 10. So I should give exactly 10 here. While I am going to create a subinterface, is it mandatory to give 10 exactly the same? No. Keep remember that. No, you can give any number. There is no problem that. You can give any number. But why we are giving the 10? Because this subinterface we are configuring for VLAN number 10. That's why I am giving that. Is it clear, everybody? Understand the concept, guys? Say yes or no. Yeah, you can give any number here. There is no problem. But here, why I given as a 10? Because this subinterface I am configuring for VLAN number 10. It's easy for me to remember. right? Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to say encapsulation dot 1q10. Then IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0. Then exit from here, interface gigabit ethernet 0/0.20 encapsulation dot 1q20 IP address 192.168.20.1. There you go. Do show IP interface brief. So far I have configured these two sub interfaces. Is it clear, guys? Everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Right. Now, what is the things we are going to do? As I told you that we are going to enable the telnet. Can we see that? Enable the telnet with usernames and passwords. Okay, guys. Are you ready? Yeah? Everyone. So, but again, I have a quick question to you guys before I'm going to configure that. Now these two guys, one computer I kept into VLAN number 10, other computer I kept into VLAN number 20. And these people, they need the IP address. Either I can able to give the static or I can able to do the dynamic. So now I want to configure the DHCP server. So can I configure the DHCP server inside my router? Can I configure the DHCP server inside my router? Say yes or no, everyone. Okay, now we will put Bhupesh into confuse, man. Let's see. Bhupesh, can I configure here in layer 2 switch? Does layer 2 switch support DHCP? Wait for Bhupesh answer, man. Oh, Bhupesh is saying no. Bhupesh is saying no. How many people are saying no, guys? Can we configure there? You can configure it, guys. There is no problem. Understand, Bhupesh? You can configure it. There is no problem. But what is the problem is here, because you need to configure. Okay, what is that? Any question, Bhupesh? You are saying that need to understand it. What is that? Oh, okay. DHCP in switch, it's possible. You can able to configure it. But again, you need to configure virtual interfaces. Yeah, you can try that and let me know. So now I'm going to configure the DHCP here, guys, where I'm going to configure inside my router. Is it clear, guys? Understand that? Let's go and do that. IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.10.1, 192.168.10.10. Then after that for 20. IP DHCP pool VLAN number 10, network 192.168.10.0, 255.255.255.0. Default router is 192.168.10.1, DNS server is 4.2.2. Then IP DHCP pool for VLAN number 20, network 192.168.20.0, 255.255.0. Then default router 192.168.20.1. Then DNS server 4.2.2. Is it clear, everybody? So far everybody is okay, the DHCP. Bhupesh is saying that, buddy, you didn't create inside the layer 2 switch. Why did you create in the router? Actually, I have given task to you, man. You need to understand there is something is required there. That's why I didn't do that. Yeah? Okay, Bhupesh, you need to do it and you have to come back to me. Yep. Let's go and do it now. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to this computer, click on desktop and select the DHCP. Then you can able to see the IP address. Is it clear, guys? I got the IP address from my DHCP server, right? Now let's go and do this. Is it clear, guys? It got the IP address. Now my question for you is, I want to do that telnet access with username and password. Are you ready? Can we do it now? Say yes or no, guys, everybody. So far everybody is clear. Up to here is everybody is okay. Good. Now what I'm going to do, let's go and do it in my router. Conft username admin. Oh, sorry. I don't want to show this command. Password Cisco. Username admin, password Cisco. Then after that, what you are going to do, guys? Help me out. Usually how you are going to enable the telnet? How you are going to enable the telnet? Usually we are going like this, line VTY 0 space 4, which means how many users can log in at a time. We have discussed about it long back, 5, right? Then after that you need to type a command, login local. You need to type this command, guys. This is very important to understand. So what you are saying here, I have created the username and password, which is this, and whenever somebody trying to do the telnet, use the local database username and password. Are you understand that? That's why you type here login local. Whenever you type login local, which means whenever somebody trying to do the telnet to my device, just verify with the local username and password. Is it clear or not? Everybody's understand or not? Say yes or no, guys. Yeah. Then after that, there is one more thing also is required here. For example, when somebody is connected the console cable, when somebody connected the console cable, then it has to prompt you to provide the username and password. So that time also I am trying to enable that. For console also I am trying to protect something. You understand, guys? When somebody connect the console cable, then immediately it will prompt you, give me your username and password. Right or wrong? Can we do that? Yeah. So how you are going to do that? Line console 0. Then here also you need to type login local. Okay, guys? Everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Then what is next? There is one more, is that the moment when they connected with the console cable, it will prompt you to give me username and password. Then after that you go to the user mode. Whenever you type enable, it will go to the privilege mode. So again, to go to the user mode to the privilege mode, I want to protect again. So enable password. Here you cannot do that one. You understand, guys? Here you cannot do that. Like login with your local username and password. You need to give the password here. Cisco 123. Is it clear? So far everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no, guys. We will have some other discussion also here. Guys, everybody is clear or not? So right now I'm in the privilege mode. If I type exit, I will be back to the directly to the user mode. Did you see here, guys? Which means directly right now we directly enter into the console. Like, you know, the moment when you connect the console port, then immediately you will get this. Then now I am trying here admin, then Cisco. Then I enter into the user mode. Then whenever I type enable, then it's asking Cisco 123. Now I can directly jump into the privilege mode. Is it clear, everybody? Understand or not? Say yes or no. Everyone. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to configure one more username. Try to see the difference. I'm trying to say username. Let's say G1. Okay, guys. I'm trying to configure the username as G1. Then after that, you can give privilege 15. Guys, we have, see here, whenever you type, we have a privilege levels which is start from 0 to 15. 15 is nothing but highest privileges. Try to understand this. 15 is nothing but highest privileges. Usually what we are going to do whenever we are going to configure some usernames and passwords, for some admins we will create the privilege level of 4. Some admins we will create the privilege level of 5. Why? Because whenever we keep some people into privilege level of 4 and we will tell them what are the commands they can execute it, we can able to do that. You understand, guys? Everybody is okay? In case if I keep privilege level 5, I can give some other rights. Are you understand, everybody? Whenever you say privilege level 15, which means you have a complete privileges. The moment when you log in with privilege level 15, you have a complete privileges. Whatever you want, you can do it. There is no problem. Are you understand or not? Say yes or no, everybody. I will show you here. Yeah. So now what I'm going to do now, see here, everybody. Privilege level 15 I configured. Then after that I said password Cisco. Now just type here show privilege. There is a command here, show privilege. Right now which privilege level I am in? Help me out, guys. Right now which privilege level I am in? I am in privilege level 15, which means I have a complete privileges. The moment when you configure the username and password, by default you are going to get the privilege level of 15. This is what the interview question, which means you have a full privileges. One day what I am going to do, I will show you how to configure the usernames and passwords with different privilege levels. It's actually related to the security. Before we used to do for our admins. Are you clear, guys? After we integrated with the ICE and we stopped doing that. Hope you guys are clear now. Is it clear, everyone? Yeah? Everyone is okay or not? Say yes or no, guys. But here something you need to observe it. Whenever I say exit, see here, guys. Now if I give the G1, enter, and give the password as Cisco, directly I just went to the privilege mode. Did you notice that? Whoever have the privilege level of 15, the while I am creating the username and I specify that you are belongs to privilege level of 15, it doesn't go to the user mode. It directly jump into the privilege mode. Did you notice that? Before, when I am trying to log in with admin, guys, everybody is okay or not? I don't know. Most of the people they are in confused. Are you okay? Everyone? Yeah, because whenever you configure the username and password, admin, and I said that Cisco, I didn't specify the privilege level, right? That time what it's doing, the moment when you enter your username and password, then immediately it's going to the user mode, right? There you are going to type enable. Then after that, it will ask you the password. Then you specify the password, then you are going to the privilege mode. Right, guys? But whenever you create the username with the privilege level of 15, then directly you are going to jump into the privilege mode. This is what I am trying to tell you. Did you notice that? Yeah? Now I'm going to show it to you again. See here, I'm going back again. Exit. Now this time I'm going with admin and Cisco. See, I just went to the user mode. Whenever you type enable, then it asking the enable password. Are you clear? Everybody okay or not? Cisco 123. Is it clear, guys? Yeah, this is the difference. And show run. And see here, I have created the two usernames. See here, I have created the two usernames. One I have created without any privilege. Hope you guys are clear. Say yes or no, everyone. If you create the user with the privilege level of 15, it will directly jump into the privilege mode. This is the question in the interview they will ask you. Yeah, I'm going to paste it here. Hope everybody is okay or not. Say yes or no, guys. Yep. Now our concern is that I want to do the telnet. Yeah, that is what my concern. So to do the telnet, what you are going to do? Go to this computer. So now can you tell me one thing, guys? Can you tell me one thing now? Can I able to ping? Right now this guy, he got 10.11 and he got 20.11. Can they able to talk each other? Help me out, guys. Everyone. Ho ho. Mahesh is saying no. What is the reason, Mahesh? Vaibhav saying yes. Mahesh, why they are not able to talk each other? Mayur saying yes. Guys, my question is very simple. 10.11 and 20.11, can they able to talk each other? Don't say different VLAN or anything. I need to answer yes or no. I'm very clear. Say yes or no. No, don't say they can. Confidently, man. Vaibhav, confident. Yes, sir. Perfect. And now let's come back to Mahesh and let's come back to Bhupesh. Bhupesh and Mahesh, they are saying that no. What is the reason? We have done so many things to make them talk. What is that? Ravi, what we did here? Oh, you did it in real time? That's what you are trying to say? Ah, okay. So we are going to remove it, man, from the group. This is only for CCNA people. Yeah? Right. Okay, let's come back to Mahesh and Bhupesh. Help me out, guys. Good. No, man, just kidding. No problem. Very good. Yeah. Tell me, Mahesh, come back to me. Will they able to talk or not? That's what my question. Will they able to talk or not? 10.11 can able to talk to 20.11. No problem, Ravi. We don't remove it, man. We are very happy that you are giving answers. Thank you. Yeah. 10.11 and 20.11. Can they able to talk? Mahesh and Bhupesh, where are they, man? Ah, this is good. They will talk via router. It's very simple, guys. Try to understand it. For example, let's see here. What is the IP address of this guy? What is the IP address of this guy? Everybody type it for me there. Everybody type it for me there. 10.11. Right? What is the IP address of this guy? 20.11. Yeah? Hold on. Now, for example, from this computer, I said ping 192.168.20.11. So, here who is the source? Who is the destination? Who is the source? Who is the destination? Help me out. Who is the source? Who is the destination? The source IP address is 10.11. The destination IP address is 20.11. Right? So here, whenever you try to do a ping 192.168.20.11 from this computer, you are trying for different network. You are not trying for same network. Right? Say yes or no, everybody. So that's why the request, what it will do, it will go to the gateway. It will go to the gateway of this device. Who is the gateway? What is the gateway of this device? No, no, not router. Just tell me what is the gateway IP. Who is the gateway? It's a 10.1. So who is 10.1 here in my lab topology? Who is 10.1? Now you tell me. Who is 10.1? The router. So the request, what it will do, it will go to the router. Everybody understand? Then in the router, what it does, what router is going to do, it will check the routing table. It will check the routing table, right? It will check the routing table, right or wrong, everybody? Yeah. Then here in the routing table, what are the networks are there? By default, your router, he knows the connected networks, right? What are the connected networks? The first one is 192.168.10.0 and second one is 192.168.20.0, right? Everybody say yes or no. These two are the connected networks, right? Now the request come from 10 network and he wants to go to 20 network, right? So this router, he know it 20 network, then he will send it directly to this. Is it clear? Everybody understand or not? I think somebody asked me, explain to me step by step. This is what, how it is. Yeah? Is it clear? I think Suvesh is asked that question. Guys, is it clear for you? Say yes or no. Yeah? Now what we are going to do now? We are going to do the telnet now. From where? From this computer. From this computer. Yeah? Let's go and do that. So first of all, check the IP address. IP config 192.168.10.11. Can I talk to 10.1 here? Can I talk to 10.1, guys? Say yes or no. Why? Why we are able to talk? Because in the same VLAN and same network, right? It's acting as a gateway. Good. You need to say same network and same VLAN. Yeah? Right. Now I'm going to do the telnet 192.168.10.1. See here it's asking, I'm going to use the G1. G1, then I'm going to say Cisco. Say directly I jump into. Is it clear, everybody? Understand or not? Say yes or no, guys, everybody. Help me out. Yeah? Now my question is that, can I go to this computer, which is VLAN number 20, and can I do the telnet? Can I go to this computer and can I do the telnet? Say yes or no. But here I want to do the telnet like this. Telnet 192.168.10.1. But I am in VLAN number 20. Can I do the telnet as 192.168.10.1? Help me out, guys. Everyone, say yes or no. Suvesh is saying no. Why, Suvesh? What's the reason? Can you able to reach? Can you able to reach? Suvesh, give me an answer. Right now the IP address is 20.11. Right? So whenever you are trying for 10 network, what it does, it will send his request to his gateway 10.1. Right? Who is 10.1? This guy. Are you understand, Suvesh? Yeah. Then here, whenever it reaches here, already your router know about 10 network and 20 network. Right? So that your packet will route from 20 to 10. Why? Because your router is going to take care of your routing part. That's why you are able to talk. Are you understand, Suvesh? Is it clear for you? Yeah. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to this computer, then I'm going to do that. Let's go and verify it, guys, everybody. Then now I'm going to say telnet 192.168. Now first of all, let's show the IP address so that you will get. Yeah, see here, Suvesh. I got it, 192.168.10.11. Now I'm trying for 10.1. Are you able to ping? Now I want to do the telnet. There you go. Admin Cisco. Now enable Cisco 123. Suvesh, are you clear? Yep. Everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Now let's come back to the main point, guys. The main point is that here. The main point is here. Now I want to access this guy. Unfortunately, this guy doesn't have any IP address. Right, guys? Unfortunately, this guy doesn't have any IP address. Now, what is the solution for this? Every time you are going to take the console cable and you are going to connect to this piece. This is the solution, guys. You cannot go every time to the server room, right? Yeah. If it is very important situation, if any maintenance work is there, then only you are going there. You cannot go every time there inside the server room. Right, guys? Say yes or no. Right now I can able to do the telnet to this guy successfully. I want to do the telnet to this guy. So for that, first of all, do we have an IP address for this? Say yes or no, guys. Help me out, man. Do we have the IP address? No. Then as a admin, what's your plan? What you are going to do? You know the SVI concept, right? You know the virtual interface concept, right, guys? Right or wrong? If you want, I will tell you one secret here for everyone. If you see here, let's take this switch as a computer. Think in that way. This is also one computer, one device. You understand, guys? For the device, what you will do, you will assign one IP address. So let's say I am planning to assign the IP address for 10, VLAN number 10. How you will assign it? You are going to type interface VLAN number 10. Then after that, IP address 192.168. Let's say I want to give 10.5, 255.255.255.0. This is what I can do it. Then after that, what you are going to do, you just specify IP default gateway. Because your computers, did you remember? You are going to assign the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. Right, guys? Are you understand that? Say yes or no. Why? Why we need to give the default gateway? Because whenever requests come from the same network, I don't want the gateway. Usually whenever you are trying to communicate from one computer to another computer, if they are in the same network, you don't require any gateway. For example, if you see here, this is the computer in VLAN number 10 and his IP address is 10.11. I connected one more computer here and I have given the IP address as 10.12. So, and also I kept into the same VLAN. So if they want to talk each other, do they require any gateway? Yeah, it's fine, sir. No problem, Jivan. You can carry on. You will get it. You will get it the video. No issues. Yeah. Thank you, man. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Right. Now, if you see here, guys, 10.11 and 10.12, if they want to talk each other, do you require any gateway there? No, we don't want any gateway. Right or wrong? But whenever you are trying to communicate to other network, then you require a gateway. For example, if 10.12 is want to talk to 20.11, is it clear? Everyone, guys, understand that? Say yes or no. If you are in the same network, same VLAN, we don't want any gateway. But whenever we are trying to talk to other networks, then make sure that we should have a gateway. Right, guys? Everybody is clear? Yeah? Perfect. Now, what you are going to do, here you are going to configure the IP address for interface VLAN number 10. Then after that, you can type IP address 192.168. Let's say 10.5. Then after that, you specify the subnet mask 255.255.0. Then you can give IP default gateway. Why you are giving IP default gateway? 192.168.10.1. Why you are giving this gateway? Because if the people, if they are trying to communicate from VLAN number 10, no problem. They are okay. Without gateway, they can able to talk to the switch. But when the request is coming from VLAN number 20 to this IP, then they cannot. Why? Because the switch has to reply back so that the reply will go to the gateway. You understand, guys? Everybody understand or not? Because whenever you are trying to communicate from one network to other network, the request will go to your gateway. Your gateway is the entry and exit point, right? You understand, guys? For example, this is 10.1, this is 20.1. So now there is a PC and there is a PC. And here we given the IP address as 10.11, he given the IP address as 20.11. From this PC, the request will go to the gateway. The gateway will send it to this guy. Are you understand? You cannot talk directly. Why? They are in two different networks. Say yes or no, everybody. Understand this concept? Yeah? Let us see it in practically, guys. Yeah? Let's go and see it now. So what I'm going to go do, let's go to the switch. Enable ConFT interface VLAN number 10. Then IP address 192.168.10.5 to 5.25.0. There you go. I forgot to give the gateway. This has happened for me one time, guys. Now, from VLAN number 10, this computer belongs to VLAN number 10. From here, let's go and do the telnet. Telnet 192.168.10.5. See? Are you understand, guys? It's open. Are you able to clear? But I didn't configure the telnet. Did you notice that? It's just open. Are you clear, guys? Say yes or no. I'm going to configure now. Yeah? Let's go and do that. Yeah, there is one more. Line VTY 0 space 4. Then login local. Then line console 0. Login local. We will configure the username now. Username admin. Password Cisco. Yeah? Then enable password Cisco 123. There you go. Okay, guys? There you go. Go to this computer and first ping so that you will understand. Are you able to see that, guys? The reply is there. So now I'm going to do the telnet 192.168.10.5. So admin, then Cisco. Enable Cisco 123. Is it clear? Understand, everybody? Say yes or no, guys. Everyone. Yep. Good. Now what is happening here? I can able to communicate from the same VLAN. But now my question is that let's go to VLAN number 20. This PC belongs to VLAN number 20. Let's go there. IP config and verify. It belongs to VLAN number 20. Now here I am trying 192.168. What's the IP, guys? 10.5. Right? See? Are you able to ping? See there. The request is going, but he doesn't know how to reply back. Are you understand, guys? The request is going. but you are not able to get the reply back. Are you okay or not? Say yes or no. Everyone. Because why the request is going there? Why Seshu is saying like that the request is going? Because because from his PC, try to understand everybody. Guys, pay attention on this. From this PC, what is the source IP? The source IP is 192.168.20.11. What is the destination IP you are trying for? What is the destination IP you are trying for? 192.168.10.5. So the first what it will do, guys, where it will go from here? Where it will go? The request will go to, because you are trying for different network, that's why the request will go to the gateway, which will go to 20.1, right guys? Then who is 20.1? Your router. Everybody understand or not? These two steps, right? Then what it does, you are trying for which network? You are trying for 10 network. Does your router know about it? Does your router know about it? Yes or no? So what it will do, he will send to his gateway, and his gateway will send it to 10.5. Right guys? Are you clear? This one will give it to whom? 10.1. And he will send it to whom? 10.5. Are you understand guys? Say yes or no. Then 10.5 what he did? He received it. But the problem is the request come from which network? Guys, help me out. It's come from 20, right? But he doesn't know how to reply back. That's the problem. You try to understand this scenario. Is it clear, everybody? Man, who is talking? Somebody is talking. Okay. Is it clear, guys? So you are not able to understand that, right? So that's why the problem is we need to specify the gateway. Are you understand, guys? We need to specify the gateway. Everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Yeah, there is a command over there, guys. Let us check that whether that command is going to work or not. Debug IP ICMP. Whenever somebody try to ping the device, if he's receive it, he will reply it. Let's go and check it now. Yeah. Now go to the command prompt and 10.5. See? Did you see this one, guys? Everybody is understand this. He is able to receive it. He is able to receive it, but he is not able to send it back. Are you clear, everybody? The replies he is able to receive it. Guys, yeah, did you see that? There is a command, debug IP ICMP. So, he is trying to send the source 10.5. Yeah, source is 10.5 and destination is 20.11. I echo reply sent. But unfortunately, guys, everybody is clear or not? So now what I'm going to do now, try to see here. I need to change IP default gateway and I'm going to specify 192.168.10.1. Yeah, everybody is clear? See there, I have configured 10.5 and now I have given the gateway 10.1. So now whenever the request come from the gateway, it has to reply back, right? So now if you see here, wait now. Are you able to see everybody, guys? Man, you are able to okay or not? I don't know. Yeah? Are you able to understand this one, guys? The moment when I specify the gateway, then you are able to do it, right? So you are able to see the reply back. This is what everybody has to understand. Very, very important. If you don't understand this flow, then you are not able to do anything. So make sure that the request, whenever you are trying for different network, the request, what it will do, it will go to his gateway, right? The gateway, it will check in the routing table. Then after that, it will send it, right, guys? Then the moment when it will send it here, The request come from where? The request come from where, guys? Whenever it reaches the gateway, who sent that? From here to here, what is the IP? It is 20.11. It went to 20.1. Right? Right? Then after that, it route to who? 10.1. Then after that, 10.1 what is does? He send it to here. Whenever he send it to here, 10.5, now your switch has to reply back. So to reply back, who is the source? What is the source IP and what is the destination IP? Up to here, it went to echo request. The request is went there. This is the secret you need to understand, guys. Now the switch has to reply back. So to reply back, what is the source IP and what is the destination IP? Help me out. Now you will understand your logic. If you don't understand it, you cannot able to learn your routing, guys. Now 10.5 is the source IP, not 20.1 Baba, it's a 20.11. The request come from where? 20.11, right? But this guy, he can able to help you out because he is the gateway. That's why he receive it and he forward to you there. Understand, Ravi? Ravi, don't get confused. Huh? This is what I used to confuse every time initially when I was doing my CCNA. Yeah, don't get confused. So now 10.5 he want to reply back to this guy. So unfortunately whenever he want to reply back, the problem is this guy, he doesn't know who is his gateway. No gateway is configured. I think Ravi, now you are understanding, right? Yes. Is it clear? Because the source IP and destination IP will not change it, guys. Keep remember. Whenever there is a NAT, then only you are going to change. Guys, everybody understand or not? Yeah? Say yes or no. Now what you are doing, the ping is nothing but what it does, it's going to echo request and echo reply. Right, guys? The ping is nothing but echo request and echo reply. So initially, who is the source IP? The source IP is 20.11. And what is the destination IP? Help me out, guys. What is the source IP and what is the destination IP? The destination IP is 10.5. Right? So initially the request, where it will go, the echo request is going to 20.1. Is it clear? Then this guy, what he will do? What he will do, this guy? He will give it to 10.1. Right? The 10.1, what he will do? The 10.1 is the gateway for 10.5. So he will give it to his gateway. His gateway, what he will do? Help me out, guys. He will give it to this guy. Right? 10.5. So this is called echo request. The request is went there. Now, who has to reply back? Who has to reply back, guys? 10.5 has to reply back to whom? To whom he is going to reply back? 20.11. Right? Now, who is the source IP and who is the destination IP there? The source IP is 10.5 and the destination IP is, help me out, guys. This is your source and the destination IP is 20.11. Now, unfortunately, we didn't configure any gateway here so that he will not send it back. Are you clear, guys? Understand that? Everybody okay or not? Because this guy, he doesn't know how to go to 20.11, right? And make sure that he should reach his gateway. Then only the request is going to back. So that's why we specify the gateway. So far, everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Is it clear for you, everybody? Good. Now, what we are going to do, guys, I think a lot of people, they left, man. Maybe they feel that it's just basics, right? No problem, guys. Let them go. Yeah, because now what we are going to do, are you ready for to build the MAC address table, guys? What do you think? Yeah? Let's go, man. But don't do it here. What we will do to build this, I'm going to show it with the GNS, guys. Yeah? GNS is the very good tool to see that. Are you ready? Let's go now. Yeah. See guys, for you I did it something so that you will get more impressive. Yeah. What I did here in my GNS, I am going to take the directly the live switch guys. Yeah. Because this is the switch I got it from people. Yeah, they shared with me. This is the mostly you will find gigabit ports here, and this is the live switch. So first of all, try to understand this one guys. First of all, try to understand this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take three window species. Yeah, three window species guys. In GNS I am trying to run the windows. Do you want to see that? Exciting. Let's see here. Windows XP1, Windows XP2, and Windows XP3. Man, who is that guy, man? Who's that guy? Oh, Vijendran also there, man. Long back I didn't see him. How are you, Vijendra? Yeah, let's go now. Yeah, see guys, this is very important to understand everybody guys. Yeah, this is the real, the live network. I'm going to show it to you how exactly the switch is going to build the MAC table. Guys, everybody is okay? Can we continue now? It's not overloaded to you guys, right? Everybody with full power, man, with full power. Everybody, yeah. Visha, we don't know who is this man. Yeah, let's go. It's a virtual iOS, man. It's a virtual iOS. I'll share it with you, Bhupesh. I'll give it to you. But it's killing my laptop, man. It's consuming more power. I don't know. I need to change the RAM. It's actually, my RAM is almost 16 GB. I want to upgrade it to 32. Once I upgraded, maybe I'll find the best performance. Yeah. Let's see now. Okay. Let's see, guys. So first of all, what I'm trying to do, everybody, guys, what is the technology we are using in layer 2? What is the technology we are using? First, I'll go to step by step. Don't get confused, guys. It will make you little bit. Ethernet technology. What is Ethernet? What is Ethernet? What is Ethernet address? Help me out, man. Vaibhav, he said correct answer. Guys, help me out. What is Ethernet? No, Ethernet is a cable, man. Ethernet address is nothing but that's your MAC address. Ethernet address. Bhupesh, Ethernet address is nothing but that's your MAC address. Guys, everybody understand or not? Because especially whenever you are trying to do the switching and all, what switch is going to do? It does the switching. What is switching? Switching is nothing but forwarding a frame from one device to another device. Is it clear, guys? Based on the MAC address table. Understand, guys? Because switches are going to maintain the MAC table. Inside the MAC table, it's going to keep the entries for each and every device. Right, guys? So based on that, it's going to route your information from one interface to another interface. This is what you are trying to understand. Is it clear? First of all, everybody has to understand. Don't go too much deep dive, guys. Try to understand the basic stuff. That's it. So make sure that switches are going to maintain the MAC table. That's why we can call it as a intelligent devices. Right, guys? Everybody says switches are the intelligent device. Why? Because whatever devices you connected to the switch, it will take that MAC address and it will keep in the MAC table. Right? Everybody, say yes or no. Understand this? So today what we are going to do, how the switch is going to learn these MAC addresses. This is what very important to understand. So many days we are discussing, but we don't talk about it. Let's go and see it now. So now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect the cables. Take Ethernet cable here, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0. Take Ethernet cable here, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1. Rakesh, put mute, man. Yeah, please put mute. Okay, now first of all, what I am trying to do, guys, I am going to switch on my switch. Try to observe it, what is going on, guys. Yeah, we will go through and see what is going on exactly. Are you ready? Are you understand, guys? Everybody? Yeah, first of all, this is my topology. Is it clear, everybody? So what I did here, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1, gigabit Ethernet 0 by 2, right? So we have connected three computers, three Windows XP computers. Is it clear, everybody? Understand that? First of all, everybody is clear. The topology is clear for you or not, everybody? So what it will do, guys, the secret of the switch is, whenever any request coming from this computer, and it will see the MAC address of this computer, any kind of traffic whenever it's coming to the switch, then immediately the switch, what it will do, it will see what is the source MAC address. Let's say the MAC address of this PC is AA. Let's say the MAC address of this PC is BB. The MAC address of this PC is CC. So what it will do, any kind of traffic whenever it's coming to the switch, what it will do, it will check what is the source MAC address, and it will going to keep that MAC address into MAC table, and it will see from which VLAN the interface, the traffic is coming. Let's say VLAN number 1, and what is that port number. Guys, everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Everyone. It will say VLAN, then after that port number, then after that the MAC address, the VLAN number 1, and it will say the port number is gigabit Ethernet 0 by 0 and the MAC address is AA. In case any traffic is coming from this interface, this switch, this PC, then immediately what it will do, the switch is receive that information from gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1, and it will see what is the source MAC address. The source MAC address is BB, and the port number is gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1, and the VLAN is VLAN number 1, right? And again, if any traffic is coming from this PC, and it will see that, and immediately what switch is going to do, it's going to take that MAC address of that PC, and it will keep it in the MAC table, and it will write like this. First of all, everybody understand or not? Say yes or no. Any kind of traffic which is generating from the device, immediately what the switch is going to do, it's going to take that MAC address and it will keep in the MAC table, and it will write the port number. This is the default behavior of your switch. Everybody okay? Sorry guys, I'm taking much time. Is it fine? We will continue, guys. Today we will finish it, man. Yeah, we need to finish this. Yeah. And I think Bhupesh is saying, sir, show me Wireshark also, sir. What is this, man? Show me Wireshark. Is it fine to show Wireshark? Guys, do you know Wireshark? Yeah? Do you know Wireshark, guys? Can we see the Wireshark? Maybe you will get confused. Don't worry, man. No confuse. Yeah? We will see it. Whatever we understand, we will see it there. Yeah? Let's see now. So first of all, I'm going to power on the switch. Not on the devices, guys. Only the switch. Then double click on this guy. See? Bhupesh, see there, it's a virtual IOS. It's booting now. It's exactly the image of Cisco. It is only you have to use it for educational purpose. I'll share it with you, Bhupesh. Yeah? I'll share it with you this. And I'll show you how to configure it also. Some people, they do not know how to do it. I'll show it to you. Because I feel it's very slow, man. That's only the problem. It's very, very slow. Yeah? Guys, I just powered it on. Only the switch. Okay, guys? Everybody. Everybody. Understand this? Wait, that switch has to come back, guys. Yeah? Just wait for a few minutes, guys. See? Bhupesh, it has a gigabit port. See there? 16 gigabit ports. It has gigabit ports. Just wait for a few minutes, guys. It's going to come back. It's taking much time because you guys has to be understand. Yeah. Good. Even I didn't check all these things, man, because I should have checked. But only when I booted the switch, it's taking more time. This is what I observed it. Yeah, see, everything is coming up. Just wait for a few seconds more, guys. I'm sorry I'm taking much time of you, but yeah, so that we will be more clear, guys, if you work on this switch. Yeah. Right. So now my switch has come back successfully. Now here what you need to do, the first command you need to type enable. So the moment when I type enable, it's getting bit slow also, guys. I think you feel it that whenever I am trying to type the command. There is one message is coming, guys. After that it will be fine. I am just waiting for that message. So far that message has not yet come. So we don't want to wait for that. No problem. Now what I am trying to do now, first of all, the first command is to check the MAC address table, type show MAC address table dynamic. Can you please write this command, everybody? Did you see the MAC address table of your switch, guys? Everybody, did you see that? Right now the MAC table is empty. Did you see that? It doesn't learn any MAC addresses from any device. Why? What's the reason? Did you see that one, guys? Everybody, whenever you type show MAC address table dynamic, so far I am not able to see any entries inside my switch. Right or wrong? There is no entries. So far he doesn't know who is connected and there is no traffic coming to the switch. Why? What's the reason? Help me out, guys. Help me out. Help me out. Because the problem is we didn't power on any device. Yeah. The question is that right now, see there. Right now, see there. Whenever I type show MAC address table dynamic, now it's fast, guys. See, whenever this message comes, no, then it's a little bit fast. Now I am okay. Wow, super. Yeah, type there show MAC address table dynamic. The moment when I type this command, did you notice that so far your switch didn't learn any MAC addresses? Why? Because the problem is we have connected three devices, three computers, but we didn't power on. See, it's not powered on. Did you notice that, everybody? Did you notice that? Yeah, that's why there is no traffic is coming. But make sure that when you power it on, by default each and every device trying to send some information. Why? Because the thing is that by default in we enable DSCP enable mode. Did you notice that? Did you notice that? Everybody, do you know that? We will select there is one is static and other one is the DSCP mode whenever you are trying to assign the IP address, guys. Remember, everyone, remember that. So in case if you selected as a DSCP, what your switch, what your PC is going to do, it will look for the DSCP server, right or wrong? It will look for guys, everybody, understand or not? Because by default there is obtain automatically is there. Right, obtain automatically is nothing but what? It is looking for the DHCP server to get the IP address, right? And there is one more option is that manual. But by default, obtain automatic is going to select in your Windows computers. Did you notice that? Say yes or no, everybody. Understand that? Say yes or no, guys. Yep. So that's why now what we are going to do, we start the Wireshark also before we power on the Windows XP computer. Yeah, see, it's powered on. I think it will be very heavy to you guys. Just bear it with me. Yeah, see, now nothing. Now what you are going to do, just go and power on this. Start. You will find something magic window over there. Oh, Windows XP is coming. Bhupesh, I'll share you this one also, Windows XP. Yeah? I'll share you this mission. Yeah, you can install it in your computer and you try it. Yeah, Windows XP, guys. Some people they feel that we never seen this one, man. Yeah, even no, Bhupesh, this is lightweight image. Yeah, that's why I'm going to share it with you. This is very light. Yeah, it's very light. The image, let's see. If you have Windows XP, maybe it's a heavy. Let's see whether it's going to boot. Guys, did you notice that? Everyone, just wait for a few seconds. It's going to come back, guys. Yeah? Wow, it's coming, man. The old Windows XP. Actually, I have installed there in VMware, not workstation. You know Oracle VMware, guys? I have installed there. This is actually the secret behind it. See? This is the machine which is running. I have linked up with the GNS. See here, it's running now. So wait for some time, guys. It's going to come now. Let's see, is there any traffic is going on? See guys, there is some DSCP traffic is going on. Did you notice that? Let's filter that. The DSCP. Did you see here? Whenever you power it on, there is some DSCP traffic is going on. Did you notice that, guys? Because your NIC card, what is doing is sending the DSCP. It's broadcasting, it's looking for the DSCP server. Did you notice, everybody? Say yes or no. So which means whenever some traffic, oh, it's coming, man. Windows also coming, super. Yeah, now what you are going to do now, let's go and check the MAC table now. You will see something strange. Now did you notice that the MAC address automatically learn and it keep in the MAC table? Did you notice that, everybody? Say everybody yes or no, guys. Did you notice that? Because whenever some traffic is generated from your computer, then automatically your switch, what is done? It took the MAC address, this guy. Yeah, something nice, man, right? It took the MAC address and through which port he received it and how he learned the dynamic, and it's coming from VLAN number 1. So far everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. So let's check whether this MAC address is correct or not. Let's go to the Windows computer, guys. I think it's like a real devices. So you guys are enjoying a little bit, right? Let's go to the command prompt. Guys, are you able to see the command prompt? Say yes or no, everybody. Yep. Now what you can do, type ipconfig/all. So the moment when you type it here, is this MAC address is same, guys? Can somebody write it there? Is it same? The MAC address 08002770DE18. Is it correct? Wow. So in the switch, does it showing the same MAC address, guys? Everybody, see there. The switch is showing the same MAC address or not? So what happened there, whenever you connect any device to the switch, immediately what it does, if that device is sending any traffic, immediately it will take that MAC address and it will keep in the MAC table. This is what generally it's going to do. Everybody okay or not? Say yes or no. Is it clear for you? The basic behavior of the switch. Everybody okay? Perfect. Now what you are going to do now? I am going to switch on Windows XP, another PC. Right, guys? Then go to start. Then after that, wait for a few seconds, guys. I'm sorry I'm taking your time because it's taking much time. Mostly we will upgrade the RAM so that we will find best performance. Yeah. Now, oh, I forgot to on this Wireshark. Yeah, guys. Let's go and do that. No problem. This is for Windows XP 2 PC. See, the moment it's come back and immediately it's sending the DHCP messages. Where is that? Nice, man. Oh, this is something strange. Did you see this one, guys? Everybody. Did you notice that? This is your Windows XP 2. On the top I written there, Windows XP 2. Right, guys? And now he is also trying to send some DHCP messages. Did you notice that? This is the messages coming from Windows XP. Did you see here, everybody? Yeah. Now let's go and check in the switch. The moment when it receives some traffic, it is going to keep that information into the MAC table. Let's go and check it now. Where is this one? Yeah. Now type it here. Oh, did you see that? Another MAC address has learned. Right or wrong? Everybody. Did you see that? Guys, this is the MAC address for Windows XP 2. There is Windows XP 1 is this and Windows XP is 2 is this. Right? Let's go and verify. Is it correct MAC address or not? Guys, everybody is following, right? Yeah? Let's go now. Go to the run and type cmd, type ipconfig. Now, oh sorry, ipconfig/all. Did you notice, is it the same MAC address? Somebody type this MAC address there, guys, in chart window. Type this, everybody. Okay, 080027F3A423A. And now I am going to open our switch. Is it same? It's learning from gigabit Ethernet 0 by 1. Can you repeat? Can you check it, everybody? 080027F342324223A. Right? Is it clear, everybody? Which is learned from port number 1. Wow. Whenever you connect any device into the network, in case if you send any information, if any traffic is generated from that computer, then immediately what switch is doing, guys? It's taking that MAC address and keeping there in the MAC table. Is it clear, everybody? Understand or not? Say yes or no. I think some of the people, they are not understanding, man. We are not able to see SS, so many S. 17 people only. Only few people are just sleeping. Chalte rahe bhai, no problem like that. Guys, I'm expecting, man, because see, for you, I install all this Windows XP and all to show it to you, know. Yeah? Right. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to switch on another computer, and before that I'm going to, good, thank you, man. Start capture. Yeah, I'm going to capture this traffic. What type of traffic is coming there? Is it clear, guys? So let's go and power it on. Let's say start. Then after that, it's going to come. Everybody, try to understand this one, guys. It's very important for you to understand it. Is it clear, guys? Are you understand? Yeah. Now let's go and check. Obviously this guy also by default is in. Okay, let's see here what type of traffic is. See, this guy also sending the DHCP, man. Did you notice that? See? Yeah, guys. Are you able to see this? This Windows XP3. He is sending also some DHCP, right? Now what you are going to do now, let's wait for a few seconds, guys, and go to the switch and check there. It must learn one more MAC address. Oh, 3 MAC addresses learned. Is it clear, everybody? Everybody okay or not? Say yes or no, guys. Do you understand how switches are going to learn the MAC address? Is it clear? The moment when you connect any device to the network, in case if the device is send any traffic, immediately what switch is going to do? It will take that MAC address and it will keep in the MAC table. Is it clear? Everyone. Now my question for you is, whatever entries it learned, it is going to keep up to 300 seconds, guys, which means if the switch is ideal, if it is not doing any traffic, is not sending any traffic or receiving in any interface, then automatically what switch is going to do? It's going to erase these MAC addresses from the MAC table. Hope you are clear or not. The aging time is 300 seconds. Maybe somebody has a question. Say, can we see that what is the default aging time? They see here. Show MAC address table aging time. There is a command over there. Yeah. Did you notice that, guys? What is the default aging time? 300 seconds. So it's going to keep these MAC addresses up to 5 minutes. The 300 seconds means it's a 5 minutes. Right, guys? So in case if there is no traffic is going on, then automatically what it does? It's going to remove these entries from the MAC table. So everybody okay or not? But Bhupesh having a question. Seshu, can we change this aging time? Yes, you can change it, man. There is no problem. Yeah, You can able to change that MAC address aging time. That's not a problem. But my concern is that don't play with that. Yeah, don't play with that. Is it clear? Some people what they are going to do in the real time, because initially it was 5 6 years before when I was a junior admin L2 engineer that time. Then I went to one of the deployment there. The senior administrator, he told me something. He said that, so whenever we connect to the server, that time we are going to change the MAC address table aging time. We will keep the mode because we don't want to change it. Is it clear, guys? Whenever you connect to the servers, that time they are going to change. But whenever I spoke to the Cisco guys, they told me that, man, don't do any changes. Keep it as it is. Whatever standards is there, just keep it as it is. Is it clear, guys? Everybody okay or not? Say yes or no. Say yes or no, guys. Hope you are clear. I think you want to see that command to change the MAC address table aging time. Do you want to know? Ah, okay. Voice issue. I'm sorry, guys. Is it clear? Guys, are you able to hear my voice? Everyone. Okay. Yeah. Did you notice that if you want to see the aging time, it is 300 seconds, which means 5 minutes. So what it does, whatever intermittent, okay, okay. So whatever he learned the MAC addresses, and he will keep it there up to 300 seconds, guys. If there is no traffic is generated, then it's going to remove that entries from the MAC table. If you want to change this aging time, just type MAC address table aging time, then give the question mark. Is it clear? Can you please write these commands, guys? Yeah. Maybe don't think that, oh, I'm getting recording, but make sure that you try to do this. Yeah. Guys, everybody is clear so far? Everybody is okay or not? There's something went wrong, man. Guys, are you able to hear? Is it clear to you, everybody? Yeah. Is it clear, guys? Everybody, I'm sorry, man. There is something wrong in the internet. Yeah. I think there is something wrong. Okay. Are you ready, guys? Understand that? So everybody is clear how the switch is going to learn the MAC addresses, right? Now, is it clear? If it is ideal, if there is no traffic, then immediately what it does, it's going to be delete those MAC entries in case if it is ideal for 300 seconds. Yeah. Okay. Mayur is saying that just delete it and verify it. Yeah, good, man. Let's go and do that. So you can just type clear MAC address table and dynamic. Yeah. Now type there show MAC address table. See, it's learning immediately. Did you notice, man? Yeah, Mayur. The other one also will come, don't worry. Yeah. See there, I am trying to delete now. Clear MAC address table dynamic. Yeah. Nothing now. So wait for some time, again it's going to come. Now here try to understand one thing, guys. Guys, everybody is clear, right? In the interview, they will ask you this question. Practically, they will ask you this question. Everybody is clear or not? Say yes or no. Everyone. See? Again, it's coming. Did you see Mayur? Yeah? That's it. Now, what I'm going to do, this is what how it learn. Then here, something very important protocol we need to understand, that is called, that is called ARP. What is ARP? What it does? Do you know what is ARP, guys? ARP is nothing but address resolution protocol. ARP is nothing but address resolution protocol. What is the purpose of ARP? What it does? Any idea, guys? Any idea? Anyone know about ARP? Okay. Guys, let's go step by step so that you will understand something different. Yeah, it's basically IP to MAC. It's going to resolve from IP to MAC address. You understand, guys? And before ARP, I just want to show it you something here. It will be strange to you. Are you ready to see? Are you ready to see that one? Yeah? Let's go and see it. Now, first of all, I am clear now how the switch is going to learn the MAC address, right? And here I want to tell you one thing, guys. We are in Ethernet technology, right? Are you understand, guys? The technology we are using Ethernet. So, based on the MAC addresses, it's going to forward the information from one device to another device, right? Are you clear? Say yes or no, everybody. I think people are there or not, man. Only 14. Remaining has gone. Okay, no problem. Yeah. Now, try to understand here something surprising. How ARP is going to do, how it's going to work. So now what I'm trying to do here, so far for Windows XP computer, we didn't give any IP address. Right, guys? We didn't give any IP address, right? Right now it is in DHCP mode. Right or wrong? Everybody, say yes or no. Everyone, right? Go to the DS. First, show, somebody is thinking that show me, man. First, where is that computer? Okay, it's here. See that? I'm going to close this. ncpa.cpl. Now, did you notice that? Go to the properties, TCP/IP properties. There is by default it's in IP address automatically. Right, guys? Everybody, understand this? Say yes or no. Now, what I'm going to do? I am going to give 192.168.1.1, and when I click OK, then see here, where is this? This is the computer, right, guys? Right now, see, still in the DHCP, some traffic is sending because it's an uptime automatic, right? Now, what I'm going to do, the moment when you change this, let's see here, then I can say OK, then click close, then something surprise is going to happen there. See that? Say close. Now we given the IP address as 192.168. This is Windows XP 1, right? Then see there ARP. Then immediately he is sending to everybody. Just close this. Guys, everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Just close this. Stop this again and go there, quit, and again stop this, because there's something sometimes it's going to happen, guys. That's the reason. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do now, yeah, I'm sorry for that, guys, because sometimes you cannot capture everything. That's the reason. So now go to the run ncpa.cpl. Yeah, go to the TCP and obtain automatic again. Okay, guys. Now before that, I'm going to start again. Just I want to show it to you something, how ARP is going to work. Yeah, let's see here. Because whenever you assign the IP address, immediately what our protocol is going to do, it will broadcast to everybody and it will tell you, hey, this is 192.168.1.1. Anybody is configured with the same IP or not. Like this, it's going to do the ARP. It does the broadcast. That's what I want to show it to you, everybody. Yeah, guys? So now let's go to this computer again. Guys, don't get confused. I am putting in uptime automatic again. Say OK. Say close. Now did you notice that it start giving broadcasting again? Did you notice that, guys? Everybody. Say yes or no. Now what I am going to do, I am going to change it as IP address. That time just small change. That's it. Now say OK. Just wait for a few seconds, guys. Yeah. Okay. Now, did you notice something here, guys? Just go to the ARP and see there. He broadcasting everybody, and he said that he announced that, hey, I'm 192.168.1.1. He informed to everybody. See here, go to in down. Did you notice this one, guys? Try to understand this. Everybody has to understand this. Did you see here the ARP? Guys, this is your this is your layer 1, layer 2. Yeah, did you see here? The MAC address is 08002770DE18. He did the broadcast. And see the ARP what it's saying is telling to everybody, hey, this is my MAC address and this is my IP address. He did the broadcast. Did you notice this one, everybody? The broadcast address is that FFFF. Did you see that one, guys? The MAC address of this computer is this guy, and the broadcast address is this one. Did you notice that, everybody? And the moment when you assign the IP address, he did broadcast to everybody. He said that, man, I am 192.168.1.1. He informed to everybody. And let's go and check whether that broadcast is received by remaining people or not. Because I am not sure here, go there, in PC2, Windows XP3 here. So we need to stop and we need to run again, guys. I'm sorry, that's why we are not able to see that. So close this, and I'm going to stop this and do the same thing again. Stop this, then go here, and this is for Windows XP1. That is fine, guys. You are not getting any bored or anything, right, everyone? Yeah, guys, are you getting bored? Is it fine? Yeah, don't get bored, man, because this is something behind the scenes. It will be like that only. Yeah. That's correct, because it will be a little bit confused, and you need to see 1 or 2 times this video. Then after that you will understand what Seshu is trying to do. Yeah, go to start. Then after that, again it's starting now. It will be a bit confused, guys, I know that. And go to start. There you go. Yeah, now we are trying to capture again. Yeah, now what I'm going to do now, let's go to this computer, PC2, and let's see what is trying to do. Okay, guys, so this is your Windows XP2. Okay, guys, then after that go to his computer. This is your Windows XP2. So this computer at the moment, ncpa.cpl, then I am going to assign the IP address as 192.168.1.2. see there. Then after that, click OK. Close. Then behind the screen, oh, I missing. Let's see there. Did you see that, everybody, guys? Oh, where is R? Did you see that he is announcing to everybody? He broadcasted it. Did you see, everybody? So let's go and check. This broadcast is going to receive it by your Windows XP Wireshark. Let's go and see there. See? Did you see that the broadcast? This is Windows XP 1 computer, guys. Did you see on the top? He received or not? 1.2 broadcast. Say yes or no, everybody. This is what I am trying to see. Guys, see, this is Windows XP1 computer. He received that broadcast. Whenever ARP sent that, he received it. Yep. Now let's go to Windows XP3 computer also. He also received that broadcast. Let's go and have a look. This guy. Uh-huh. See here, he received it. Windows XP3. Here, Windows XP3 on the top. Did you see here? Now what I'm trying to do now, I want to do something strange now. So far what I did, guys, the moment when I assign the IP address 192.168.1.1 to this guy, and the moment when I assign 192.168.1.2 this guy, and this guy, what they did, he used the ARP protocol and he broadcast to everybody. He said that, hey, I am 192.168.1.1. I am 192.168.1.1. Is it clear? And this guy also, what he did, he broadcast to the remaining people. Now what I am trying to do now, I am going to use here 192.168.1.1. Let's see what's going on. Are you understand, guys? Everybody. Because whenever you will find sometimes the duplicate IP address, you will get a message, right? Yes or no? Actually, I configured here 192.168.1.1 and he configured 1.2 and again here unfortunately I configured 1.1. Then when this guy is broadcast, then immediately this guy will tell you, hey, it's duplicate, man, already I am using the same IP. See there, that kind of messages will be there. Are you ready? Can we see it? Yep. Let's go now. Do like that. See, this is your Windows XP PC, guys. Go there, go to the run, ncpa.cpl, go to the properties, see there. 192.168.1.1. Then say OK. Say OK. Now see there. At what basis you are going to receive it there. See there, guys, everybody. There is a duplicate out there. Duplicate use of IP is detected. Are you understand, guys? Everybody. Say yes or no. I don't know, man. Yeah, this guy is sent. Hey, actually I am that one guy. See DE18. Are you understand? Yep. So the duplicate is there. So the ARP, what it's going to do, guys, don't go this much and just I am not going to put you in the confuse or anything. Just I am trying to make you understand. Yeah, because the ARP protocol, what it will do, whenever you assign the IP address to your device, immediately he will tell to everybody, hey, I am 192.168.1.1. Hey, I am 1.2. Hey, I am 1.3. In case if you repeat, then immediately ARP will tell you, hey, already I am using the same IP. It's a duplicate. Are you understand, guys? Is it clear or not? Say yes or no, everybody. Yep. Now, this is how ARP is going to work. Now the next thing is that I am going to clear the MAC address table. Then after that, through ARP, how your MAC table is going to build. Are you ready to see that? Everybody, are you ready to see that? Say yes or no. Guys, you are clear. The first one is that we saw that how switch is going to build the MAC table by default. Then second one is that you saw that what is ARP behavior, right? Now third thing is that we are going to see how switch is going to learn the MAC addresses, because here you need to understand something strange. For example, see this. If this guy want to talk to this guy, let's say 192.168.1.1 wants to talk to 1.2. First of all, what it will do, the behind screen, because we know that technically what we will say, they are in the same VLAN and they should be in the same network, right, guys? This is what we know it until now. But here what it will do, first of all, your PC, what it will do, it does the ARP. How it will do the ARP? Let's see here. The ARP will be like this. Guys, everybody is okay? Everybody is okay or not? It will write the ARP will be like this. ARP request will be like this. The ARP request, it will write the source IP is 192.168.1.1. The destination IP, it will write 192.168.1.2. And it will write the source MAC as this guy. Right? It has something. What is that, guys? Did you remember the MAC address? Something 18, right, in the last? Yeah? This is the MAC address. But do this computer know about destination MAC? So that's why what it does, he doesn't know. That's why every computer, what it will do, guys, it's going to maintain the MAC table. Okay, it's going to maintain, sorry, it's going to maintain the ARP table. Guys, you are getting confused, or is it okay? I'm putting confused to everybody. I'm sorry, guys. Is it fine? Yeah, just bear with me. I want to show you that. Yeah. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to the switch now, and I'm going to remove the MAC table. Yeah, clear MAC address table dynamic. Yeah, now type show MAC address table dynamic. So far there is no entries. And one more thing, what is the IP address we given this computer? I'll explain to you again, guys, so that you will be clear. Huh? I'm sorry for that. I'm going to explain to you again. Yeah, run ncpa.cpl. What is the IP address we given this? We change, I think so. 1.3. Yeah. Now it's clear for me everything. Now notice this one, guys. Everybody. Now I want to see the ARP table of this PC. Every device, keep remember this, guys. Every computer is going to maintain the ARP table. Let's see how to check that ARP table. Let's go to Windows XP 1 computer. Yeah, we will do that. We can use the clear ARP also, no issues. Yeah, we will do that one. See here in Windows M, yeah, see there. If you want to see the ARP table, ARP space -A. See, guys, did you notice that? Is there any entries are found so far? Any entries are there? Any entries are there, guys? Here in ARP table, whenever you type ARP space -A, it's saying that there is no entries inside my ARP table, because whenever you are trying to communicate from one device to another device, how it's going to communicate? This is what we are going to learn today. Yeah. So first of all, this computer, the IP address is 192.168.1.1. This computer is 192.168.1.2. This computer is 192.168.1.3. So first of all, what this guy will do, before he wants to talk to this guy, he does ARP, address resolution protocol. Why? Because we are, guys, are you understand that? Because we need to know the MAC address of the other guy. You understand? Your switch, what it will do, guys, the secret is that switch is just forwarding the frame. Switch is not going to build the frame. Keep remember that. So first of all, you need to build the frame and you need to send it. Then the switch is going to forward it. That's what the switch job. Keep remember this. Are you clear, everybody? So first of all, what it does to build the frame, this computer, he will send the ARP. So ARP will be, information will be like this. He says that the source IP address is 192.168.1.1. The destination IP is 192.168.1.2. Then the source MAC is, it's .18 something. But he doesn't know the destination MAC. Are you understand, guys? Are you understand, everybody? Yeah? Because in his ARP table, he doesn't have the destination MAC. Right? Because whenever there is an entry in the I think. Guys, are you okay? Yeah. Whenever there is an entry in the ARP table, then only the request is going to send, guys. In case if doesn't have a ARP entry, then it's going to drop. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So now what it will do, the destination MAC is not there inside the PC. Then it's going to keep the destination MAC address is FFF. There is a 12F. Then this is like a ARP request. So this ARP request, what it does, it will send it to the switch. The moment when switch receive it, and it will see that it came from, guys, see here, it came from which PC? PC1, and what is his MAC address? .18, right? And through which port he received it. Then what it will do, he will take that MAC address and it will keep that entry into the MAC table. Is it clear, everybody? Let's say that .18 is the MAC address and it received from gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Then it will keep that entry into the MAC table and VLAN number 1. And this packet, this frame is saying that it's a broadcast frame, right? Then he will broadcast to this guy and this guy. and it is like a ARP request. So ARP request is saying that indirectly who is 192.168.1.2, then this guy he will receive it and this guy will receive it, and this guy will tell you, hey, I am 192.168.1.2. then immediately he will tell, okay, can I have your MAC address please? Then he will send it back. Whenever he is sending back, that time the source IP address is 192.168.1.2 and the destination IP is 192.168.1.1, and he will fill the source MAC address is this MAC address, let's say BB. Are you clear guys, everybody? And destination MAC address is AA. He will fill it and he will send it. This is how it's going to happen. Guys, try to understand the layman terms. First of all, whenever you are trying to communicate from one device to another device, make sure that the ARP, every device is going to use the ARP protocol, because especially the IP protocol will take the help of ARP protocol. The purpose of the ARP protocol is that to identify the MAC address, to get the MAC address. It's going to convert from IP to MAC. So every computer is going to maintain the ARP table. Inside the ARP table, whenever you find the entries, then only he is able to build the frame. Are you clear? Once he build the frame, then he is going to send it to the switch, then switch is going to forward the information. Otherwise, if switch doesn't know that, then switch what it will do, it's going to flood the traffic to everywhere. Are you clear guys? Because here what we are trying to do, we are trying to do the unicasting. Yeah, that's why your ARP, we are going to use the ARP protocol to build your MAC table. Hope everybody is okay or not, first of all. Are you understand? Yeah, let's say here the MAC address of this computer is AA, the MAC address of this computer is BB, the MAC address of this computer is CC, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1. Then the IP address is 192.168.1.2. The MAC address is, IP address is 192.168.1.3. Everybody is okay with this? Say yes or no, first of all. First we will understand this, then after that we will see it in the reality. Yeah? Are you clear? Are you clear? So right now, this computer 192.168.1.1, he wants to talk to 192.168.1.2. So first of all, what it will do, it will check inside the ARP table whether do I have the entry for this PC or not. The MAC address is there or not. It will check it. In case if it is not there, what it will do, first he is going to do the ARP. What is ARP? It's a broadcasting. It's going to do the broadcast. How? First of all, it will write like this. The source IP is 192.168.1.1. The destination IP is 192.168.1.2. And the source MAC address is AA. And the destination MAC address is, it's not found in my ARP table. In my ARP table, there is no entry for 192.168.1.2. There is no MAC address. Are you clear guys? There is no MAC address for my 192.168.1.2. That's why your PC, what it will do, it's going to keep it as a FF, which means it's a broadcast. Then after that, it's going to send it as a ARP request. Then this request, what it will do, it will come to the switch. When switch receives that, and it will see this information as a ARP request is come from which PC? It come from the MAC address is AA, right? And the destination is the FF. FF is nothing but what? It's a broadcast address. So the first switch, what it will do I have this MAC address in my MAC table or not? So switches, what they do, they are going to learn always the source MAC address. Then switch, what it will do, it will see this MAC address and it will check in the MAC table, do I have this MAC address or not? Oh, it's not there. Then what it will do, it will keep this information. It came from VLAN number 1. Then it received the port number is gigabit Ethernet 0x0. Then after that, the MAC address of this one is AA. Guys, everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Then after that, what it will do, actually it's not mentioned to any specific destination MAC address. That's why your switch, what it will do, it will forward to this guy and it will forward to this guy. So this is for ARP request. So always remember, the ARP request is a broadcast. So now this guy, he received it. 192.168.1.2 and 1.3. After they receive it, then immediately he will see that, oh, this is my address, man. 192.168.1.2 is me. Then immediately switch will tell you, can I have your MAC address, please? Then that time what this guy will do, he is going to send back to like this. How he is going to send back? He will send the information like this. The source IP address is, now who is the source IP, guys? Who is the source IP? Now source IP is 192.168.1.2, and who is the destination IP? The destination IP is 1.1, and what is the source MAC? The source MAC is BB, and what is the destination MAC? AA. And this information will go as unicast, not a broadcast. Keep remember that. Is it clear, guys? Because whenever the ARP request is going to come, that is called broadcast, but ARP reply will be unicast. This is what interview they will ask you. Yeah, then after that he will send it back. Then what switch is going to do? Whenever switch receives that frame, and it will see, hey, do I have this MAC address with me or not? No, let's go and keep in my MAC table. And same time this PC, what it will do, he will enter that ARP entry inside his ARP table. Is it clear, everybody? Then after that he will send it. Once he send it, then what this PC will do, you are trying to do ICMP, right? Then he will do the echo request and echo reply. Are you ready to do this one? Are you understand, guys? So whenever the devices within the network, when they are going to talk each other, first they do the ARP. So let's go to the PC1 and check whether they have a ARP information is there or not. Okay, let's go to Windows XP PC1. Now I'm going to say ARP /A. Yeah, it's learned something. Maybe some request came to him, maybe he sent it back. Okay, guys, so don't worry about that. So I'm going to remove this ARP-D. Whenever you type ARP-D, then the entries is going to remove it. Yeah, it's recording, man, don't worry. Yeah, is it clear, guys? In my ARP table there is nothing. Is it fine, everybody? Say yes or no, guys. Yeah. Now what I'm going to do, I am going to type 192.1. First of all, let me check what's my IP address. IP config, my IP address is 192.168.1.1. Now what I'm going to do, I'm trying with 192.168.1.2. See, I'm able to see the reply. Right, guys? Now after that, type ARP /A. Did you see here? Did it learn this? It's a quick, guys. Did you see here? Yeah. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show it to you what exactly is happening in the here. So first of all, did you see here, guys? Type ARP, and did you see the last packets 1006 and 1007? Guys, everybody see there 1006 and 1007. It's saying that who has 192.168.1.2? Please tell me I am 192.168.1.1. Did you see here? Everybody, this is your broadcast. It went there. Then after that, it got the unicast reply. Did you see here the reply? Guys, here, see there. This is here, it's showing ARP request in the down. Here. Did you see here? This is your ARP request. It has a broadcast. But again, the ARP reply, the second packet, did you see here? Its reply is the unicast. See there? And whenever he is going to send the ARP request, see there, try to observe that. It's saying the source MAC address is this 08002770DE18, and the destination broadcast is FFF, 12 Fs. Are you clear? Then after that, the ARP request is went like this. Did you see here? The sender IP is 192.168.1.1, and this is the MAC address. The target IP means the destination MAC address is 1.2, but he doesn't know the MAC address of that. Whenever other guys has received that, they replied back. So whenever the reply comes, it's saying that, hey, I am 1.2 and this is my MAC address, and the source IP is this, source MAC address is this. Is it clear? Everybody understand or not? Say yes or no, everybody, guys. Yeah. Now what you are going to do now, let's go to other PCs than they received or not. See here. Now Superman, see there. The broadcast is received from, guys, see there. Everybody. Yeah. Let's go and clear this. I believe we need to close and open again. Yeah, now we need to close and we need to open it again, guys. That's the reason. Yeah, I'm not able to see that. Same thing here also, it should come. Because the broadcast is going to come to everybody. Yeah, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop this Windows XP3, quit, stop this Windows XP3. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going back, I'm going to stop this guy, and I'm going to stop this guy. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to enable the again. Yeah, so this time we will see whether this guy is received the broadcast or not. Start capture, say okay. Start Wireshark. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky and all, guys, but make sure that if you understand this, then you will able to understand everything. Yeah, okay, now what I'm going to do, let's go to and make sure that this MAC entries, guys, it's going to delete immediately. See, the entries has gone. Is it clear, guys, everybody? Less than 2 minutes or 1 minute, it's going to delete the entries, whatever he learned it in Windows computer. Yeah, in Windows XP. Now what I'm going to do now, I am trying to ping now, ping 192.168.1.3. Say enter. Now let's go to this computer. So now this guy is asking who is 192. See here, XP1, guys. Who is 192.168.1.3? Please tell me I am 192.168.1.1. Immediately that PC has replied back. So go to that. See here. Wow, this is what I want to show you. See, did he receive it or not, guys? 1.3 is received or not? See here. Who has 192.168.1.3? And it's coming from 1.1, and he replied back immediately. Then after that, what we did the ICMP. So ICMP, see here, echo request and echo reply. See here, echo request, echo reply, request, reply, request, reply. Did you see that? Everybody, from 192.168.1.1 is the source IP and 1.3 is the destination IP. So the request went there. And again, now the reply is coming from 1.3 to 1.1. Again, request went there, 1.1 to 1.3, 1.3 to 1.1. Is it clear, everybody, guys? So far, you are okay or not? Yeah. Now what you are trying to do now, just go there. That's what, because whenever he is trying to communicate, it always do the OR. So now see, he learned that 1.3. Did you see? He learned that MAC address. Now if you want to go here, R-, I'm going to say ping 192.168.1.2. Now immediately it's going to have a R. Did you see here? Are you understand, guys? Everybody. Now what I will do now, for you to clear the understand, let's say R-A. Now I'm going to clear the MAC address table. Now let's go and build freshly. Now you need to help me out, guys, everybody. Everybody has to help me out. Clear MAC address table dynamic. Show MAC address table dynamic. Now there is no entries now. Now can you tell me what is the MAC address of this computer, guys, everybody? Can you write it for me there? PC1 computer. Everyone. I need to write that MAC address, everyone. No, we'll write direct MAC addresses, man. Yeah, I just show it to you. Just we will write it. Yeah, so that everybody will be clear in one shot. ipconfig/all. Take this MAC address, guys. Type it there, everybody. This is the MAC address. Maybe I cannot copy it here. No, man, I cannot copy that. Guys, can you type it there? I'll copy it and paste it quickly. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys, I'm taking much time, but we are going to finish it out. Yeah, paste it there. Okay, now go to other one. This guy, Windows XP2. Copy this MAC address, guys. Here also we are going to clear the MAC table. Yeah, copy this. Good. Now next one. ipconfig/all. Okay, here also I'm going to clear this. Yeah, take it. Clear, guys? You are taken, right? Type it there. Paste it for me. Good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this guy. Okay, copy. Now I'm going to paste it there. Yeah. So this is the MAC address of this guy. Dot this. Yeah. Now what we are going to do, let's go to other one. This is other one, right? PC2. I'm not going to copy. Okay. Copy. So let's go to the text. So now this is the MAC address of this guy. Guys, keep ready, everybody, so that we will go through step by step. Now, take this. Okay. Now, first question for you, everybody, guys. So right now, what is the IP address of this one? The IP address of PC1 is 192.168.1.1. Right, guys? What is the IP address of PC2? 192.168.1.2. What is the IP address of PC3? 192.168.1.3. Is it clear, everybody? Now, I want to see the ARP table of my Windows XP 1 PC. How can I check that? How to check the ARP table of this computer, guys? Help me out. How to check it? You need to type ARP space -a. Right now there is no entries. Right, guys? And also I want to check the MAC address table also. In my MAC table also, I believe there is no entries. Oh, it's learn because maybe some traffic is generating. So I'm going to clean now. Clear MAC address table dynamic. Okay, show MAC address table dynamic. Now there is no entries. Right, guys? In my MAC table there is no entries and nothing. Now let's explain to me. Now this guy, he wants to talk to this guy. So what is the first step, guys? What it does? Actually in my ARP table I don't have entry. Right? First of all, what it does? Even my MAC table also there is no entries. Right? Yeah, no problem, Santosh. We will catch up later. Yeah, bye. Okay, guys, help me out. First of all, what it does? No, it's okay, man. No need to say sorry. It's important for you. Yeah, because if it is important, definitely you are going to leave. Help me out, guys. What is the first step? What is the first step it's going to do? First of all, before it's going to start the communication, it does the ARP request, right? The switch is going to receive that. Then what it will do, the switch? What it will do, the switch? What it will do? It will going to keep this MAC address into the ARP table. I mean MAC table, right? And it's received from where? It's received from gigabit Ethernet 0x0 and it will keep it there. Is it clear? Then after that, it will send that ARP broadcast to each and every device. Right, guys? So now, whenever this PC will reply back for ARP, then he will do the unicast. Then whenever he receive it, what it will do? He will take that MAC address again and he will update in the MAC table. Then he will send it back. Right or wrong? Everybody understand this? Yeah. So now my concern is that whenever you are trying to ping only between these two computers, you can find only these two MAC addresses only in the switch. Right, guys? You cannot find this MAC address. Right or wrong? Why this guy is not replying? This is what you are trying to understand. So let's go and check it now. So first of all, what I will do, I am going to clear the MAC table again. So now there is nothing in my MAC table. Now let's go to the PC. So let's go to the PC and again I want to show you ARP-A. There is nothing. Oh, again clear that, man. Maybe something is there. ARP-D. Yeah, now when I type ARP-A, there is nothing. Now I am trying to say 192.168.1.2. Right, guys? Now I got the reply. So whenever I type show MAC address, I can able to see these two MAC addresses. This is what I am trying to show it to you. Is it clear? Understand that? Did you see the MAC address of, let's minimize this computer XP1 DE18, and I can see the MAC address of 423A. Are you able to clear everybody? Understand or not? Say yes or no, guys. Yeah, you are able to see that MAC address, right, guys? Yeah, only these two. Why? These two computers, they talk each other via switch. Then switch, what it does, it lend the source MAC address from each device and it keep in the MAC table. Now what I am going to do now, I am going to ping from this computer to, I am going to ping from this computer to this guy. That time what it will do, guys, help me out. What it will do? What it will do, guys? Did you notice here it learned the ARP entry also? You forgot to show that, yeah? ARP-A. See, it has learned the entry. And also if you go to this computer, Windows XPT, there also you will find the ARP entry. Did you notice that for 1.1? Guys, everybody is okay or not? Say yes or no. Yeah? Now what I am going to do, I am trying to ping 192.168.1.3. Now what will happen, guys? Anil, can you explain to me? ARP request will go there. Yeah? Then where it will go? First of all, help me out, guys. From here, where it will go? ARP request. It will go to the switch. Then switch, what it does? What it does, the switch? It's update the MAC table because here already that MAC entry is there, right? So what it does, in case if MAC entry is there, just it's going, right? Then after that, what it will do? Switch. It will not forward to 1.3. Man, it knows about 1.1 MAC address, right? It doesn't know about 1.3. That's why he will simply broadcast because this is ARP request, no? Right? Right, Anil? Then after that, what it does? He will send back the request. He will send back the reply as a unicast. Then when he receive it, he will update his MAC table and immediately he will send it back. So this guy also he will update his ARP table. So the moment when they update it together, then he will send the unicast only. From next time onwards, you did some ICMP. So that ICMP echo request and echo reply will go on. Is it clear, everybody? Understand or not, guys? I don't know whether you understood or not so far. Yeah. Sorry, guys, I took much time from you because you need to understand this. Because if I am trying to explain to you with AA, BB, CC, maybe you will get some idea. But the thing is that once you see the reality, maybe if I share with you the software and all, you can go through it and you can able to get more idea. Is it clear, guys? Yeah, because you need to understand like that only, Bhupesh. That's why I took bit time. Even that's why so far I didn't teach you so many days. I'm just waiting because I need to understand you guys are okay or not, your capabilities and all. Because some people, they are not okay. That's why I'm not going with this MAC address learning and all. Yeah, even this is a background process. Without that you are able to talk everything, right? But if you know this background process, whenever you go for interviews and all, they will feel comfort. Oh, this guy is very nice, man, he can able to understand exactly how information and all, right? So you will be, like first priority to the select them. That's why. Okay, guys. Not critical, man, it's easy only, but maybe my capabilities are not good to explain to you. Maybe I am not explained to you in that way. Yeah, I need to improve it, I think so. Yeah, but yeah, I think so you guys are okay, man. Yeah, but make sure that everybody has to go through this video, guys, again and again. Yeah. uh, Thanks, man. Thanks, Rakesh. Yeah. Yeah, but you try to go through it because make sure that what is the importance of our. No, no, man, not like that. Because I really wants to know this one. That's why I just put more effort. And that too, my system also is getting very slow because it doesn't have enough RAM and all. Yeah. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Mohammed. Mohammed, how are you? Long back, you are not attending the class. You are not attending the classes.
Yeah, actually, I was in at my next class,
Ah, okay.
but I've gone through at all from all videos, and that was very explanation was very excellent, and I understood everything.
Thank you, man. You are giving more biscuits or what to me? Not biscuit, right?
I'm not there in those classes, but I'm
Good, good. Anil, are you able to
that
understand?
was very
Yeah, yeah, understood, understood. Anil, are you okay? Kunal, I didn't speak to Kunal also. Kunal also there, man. He did for us something, yeah. Kunal, you are okay? We don't know who is this MH. Preetham is continuously coming. Shivani Power. I don't know. She's a lady, yeah. Madam, are you there? Shivani Power? Yeah, madam.